another thing, we need to add link to this individual author name right over here. So first of all we need to do, we need to step out of it first, and here let's complete which is been initiated. There it goes. So we have created a link command right over here. If we get back to our project and reload, we can see that it is now linked, but so far we haven't put any linking page where it should be diverted after clicking on this individual author's name display here. So this is what we need to put in the next part. First of all, we will be making usage of this get author URL. Sorry, this is not get author URL, this is get author posts URL. Now all it is doing, it is practically returning the author's post of a definite author in our page, but unfortunately this is not individually going to work alone. This is due to the fact it is right now confused which author name it should return here, because there could be multiple authors into your WordPress site or blog. So it might get confused which particular author ID they should return here, and that is why in the first place all we need to do, we need to make usage of another WordPress function which is known as get the author meta. And what is it going to return? It is going to return the ID. So what we have here, we have get the author meta. That means we are returning the ID of that individual author, whoever created that particular post, and we are fetching author's link with the aid of that individual author's ID, and we are returning it as the link to this individual author's name. And the next thing that we need to remember here, we do not wish to display the link here. We wish to display the output of that link, the page which is related to that link. And that is why we are using the WordPress function as get the author. But first of all, press Ctrl S. Now if we get back to our page and reload, and right now we can see that everything is in order, everything is linked. This is the added category, Subble or testing. So if we now click here, we can see that we have returned to this Subble category page. If we now click on this particular author's link here, we can see that this is the author's link. But as I have told you before, so far I haven't made any kind of special arrangement to display the content of these individual pages, like this archive page or like this category page right over here. So this is the next thing that I am trying to make here. We are trying to create all those pages which practically returns the content of these individual pages.